Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Oh my God. Okay, come. Come. No, this way. Come up. Okay, come up. Come up. Newton wants to join us. Hi. Hi. Are you jealous? Jealous of the birdie? Huh? Yeah, you are. And what about you? You still think the bird is awkward, right? Is it awkward? She thinks you're awkward. You are so awkward. You are so awkward. Ow! Okay. So this is the thing. He just grabs on my lip and he doesn't let go. So I have to like take every chance I can to come loose. We're trying to train leave it, but in Swedish. So I say loss, or I say stop it. And as soon as he lets go, I award him for that. Am I right? Now you just want the phone, don't you? You just want the phone. Is there a bird in the phone? Yeah, there is. Take care, guys.